Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. In this story, you will learn how a friend is all you need to have fun. Let's get started. One sunny afternoon, a little cat named Billy wandered through the garden. Billy saw butterflies fluttering, birds chirping, and flowers blooming all around him. But Billy felt lonely. I wish I had a friend to play with, he thought. Suddenly, he heard a tiny squeak. A little mouse peeked out from behind a flower. "Hi, my name's Pip," said the mouse with a big smile. Billy smiled back. "I'm Billy, do you want to play with me?" "Yes," said Pip. They chased each other around the flowers, giggling and playing. Then, they climbed up a big tree to see the garden from high above. "This is fun," said Billy. Billy was so happy to have found a new friend. From then on, Billy and Pip played together every day. That brings us to the end of the story. Here you learned. A new friend can make any day brighter. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.